To think of past is as well as bad to live in the past. Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is the third level from Vistas. This story has been written by Jack Finney. Actually, in this story, it is a third level. It is the third level. The third level means definite third position. According to time, it defines like this way. When we go in the present, on that time we say that is called first position or first level, whatever. In the second position, when we go in the future time, when we start to think about the future time, that is called second level. But when we only thought about that, only think about that, the past, that is called the third level. According to the psychiatrist, first level means normal people. Second level confused or muddled man. When confusion becomes a fact, that is called the third level. There are three characters of this fiction: Charlie, Louisa, and Sam. Charlie is as a narrator or as a sufferer. Louisa, wife of Charlie, Sam, one psychiatrist, and Sam is good friend of Charlie. In this fiction, Jack Finney describes how he found himself on the third level, being a narrator, at the Grand Central stations. The rail authorities swore that there were only two levels at the Grand Central, but the narrator claimed to have been on the third level. Yes, it is the interesting point here. He had seen the old world charms of 1894. His psychiatrist friend called it a walking dream with fulfillment. The third level was a medium of escape for Charlie from the harsh realities of modern time, of modern life. It provided him a base. He could interweave fantasy and reality there. There are 8 points in this story. The first point is the third level at Grand Central Station, as well as second level is called gets lost while heading for the subway. Third level is third position of this story is Grand Central growling like a tree. Four, old world old world of 1894. That is not money, mister, says the clerks. It is 5.6. Never again finds the third level. 7. His friend Sam Weiner disappears. 8. A letter mailed on July 18, 1894. This is the story of the third level. This is the main point of this story. And the story is that Charlie claims to have been on the third level of the floor of the Grand Central Station. The railway authorities swear that there are only two levels at the Grand Central. No one has ever seen the third level there. Charlie consolate his psychiatrist friend. He tells him about the third level. His friend calls it a walking dream with fulfillment. Actually, Charlie does not feel at home in the modern world of fear, insecurity, and war. Therefore, he just escapes into the world of dreams and fantasy. Charles' friends claim that he has an escapist tendency. His Stamp collecting is nothing but a temporary refuge from reality. One day, Charlie is in a hurry to get to his apartment. He takes the subway from the Grand Central because it is faster than the bus. He goes down the steps to the first level. Then he walks down to the second level. The suburban trains leave from there. He goes into an arched doorway, holding for the subway and gets lost. It's a quite easy to get lost there. The Grand Central is growing like a tree with endless corridors, doorways, and stairs. He finds himself on the third level. It is a different world of gaslights, brass spittoons, derby hats, beards, sideburns, and fancy mustaches. These are belonging to the past incidents. Yes, past things. He wants two tickets for Galesburg, Illinois. The clerk is surprised to see different kinds of notes in Charlie's hand. He wants, saying to him, "That is not money, mister." Charlie turns away and goes out fast. He buys old currency, but he never again finds the corridor that leads to the third level at the Grand Center. His friend Sam Winter disappears. Nobody knows where. Charlie suspects him to be in Galesburg, Illinois. He was very fond of the place. Charlie finds out that Sam bought old currency worth $300. He also finds a marked envelope addressed to his grandfather at his home in Galesburg. Sam claimed to have found the third level. He asked Charlie and his wife Lucia Gibbs looking for the third level. The letter was written and signed by Sam. The most mysterious thing was that Sam was his psychiatrist. It's a very interesting story of this. Now you will think about this story. What's the third level and how the person goes inside the third level. Therefore, therefore, I told you to from the beginning of this story to think of past is as well as bad to live in the past. Okay, students. In the next class, I will bring your next topic. That's why today's good day. Take care. Bye.